Well, guys, it's time for another unboxing. Check out what Malco sent us. A ton of fun things to try out. One thing I want to mention and thank Malco for is check out the packaging that they shipped it in. Each product was put in a bag and sealed up and then put in here. So they did a really good job. Check that out. They did a very good job of packaging everything up nicely so that if it did leak, it would leak in here. It wouldn't ruin anything else. Thank you, Malco. That is very thoughtful. Some companies will just send you products in a box or a package and they will not package it up like this. So well thought out. In case things do leak, they're protected in here. So let's just take a quick look at what we have going on. So they sent us these 2-gallon jugs. This is their Red Thunder. It's a biodegradable degreaser. So we're going to test this stuff out. You can dilute it 1 to 3, 1 to 1, 1 to 5, up to 1 to 10 it looks like. And you can also use it on interior stuff. So that will be fun to use. And also their Prism car wash. High foaming, bubblegum fragrance, delicious. So I'm sure this is a pH neutral shampoo. It can be diluted, 1 to 128, so an ounce per gallon. That's great. So we'll try this stuff out, put it in our foam cannon, see how that works for our detailing jobs. We have a dressing here called Blue Blazes, VOC compliant all-purpose dressing. So this must be a water-based dressing that can be used on all sorts of rubber, plastic, vinyl, leather, all sorts of stuff. So great, we'll check this stuff out. I was very excited to check out their new leather coat and fabric coat. So we will be checking these 2 products out. This is in a liquid form. It actually smells delicious. It smells like that nice leather scent. So it's in a cream formula, and I'm sure this is in a spray formula for the fabrics. This is their CR2, their SiO2 ceramic spray. I've heard a lot about this stuff, so this will be the maintenance on top of their Epic coating. So I'm very excited to try this stuff out. We have a lot of different coatings to test out. We have the P&S coating. We also have this. This is from Avalon King, their Armor Shield 11? Or is that 9? I forget. 1X, IX, nano ceramic coating. So we will also try this stuff out. I haven't even opened it yet, but Avalon King sent this to us. Thank you guys. We will be using this stuff soon. So lots of coatings to try out. We also have their finishing polish. That is in their Epic line. They sent us a nice hat. What do we have here? Their, leather and plastic and vinyl cleaner, clean and shine. So we'll be using this also for our details to clean leather. And then we also have, their heavy duty compound and then their medium cut compound. Okay, so in their Epic line, they have a heavy, medium, and then a finishing polish. So I'm usually kind of a heavy cut and then a finish polish type of guy, but the medium cut could be very useful in some jobs. So we'll try that stuff out. Now, they did send us a bunch of pads. However, these are they're 6.5 inch pads. Well, I might be able to make these work, but I really don't have anything that I use 6.5 inch pads for. So I really like 5.5 inch pads. I might just reach out to Malco and have them send out 5.5 inch pads instead. Also came with a nice wash mitt here. Nice chenille wash mitt. And also some paperwork for their Epic line and products that we can order. So awesome. Very excited about that. So this is great. We have some new products to play with, and we'll be using these in upcoming videos. Guys, that was just a little unboxing to show you some of the products that came in. I'm going to try to do that as often as I can to show you what new stuff we have coming in, and you'll be able to see it in upcoming videos. So guys, I am pretty gross and sweaty. We need to get packing because we are leaving tomorrow for the rest of this week. We're actually going up to Boston and helping our family move down here. More news on that later in the month. I can't give you all the details yet because we're still a little unsure, but we may be in a new place, a new garage, a bigger garage, which we will completely deck out as a detail shop. It'll be a garage at our new place, and it's hopefully going to be incredible. So it'll give us tons more storage because I'm running out of storage here. The more products we get, I'm just running out of room. So this new place will have tons of space for new products, bigger garage. I can put bigger vehicles in there, and hopefully it will be a much nicer setup to film and detail vehicles. So look forward to that at the end of the month. I know I'm dropping little hints and things here and there. I can't give you all the info yet because some things are uncertain. When it comes to closing dates and all of that stuff, there can be delays and there can be all sorts of things that happen. If you have ever purchased a house, you know what I mean, and it can be very stressful. So I'm giving you little bits here and there, but when all's said and done, there will be some awesome videos to show you guys all of the new stuff. So, gosh, it looks like I'm crying. I'm all gross and sweaty. Sorry about that, guys. That's pretty gross. But hey, we did a bunch of mobile detailing jobs today, and it was hot and not as humid as some days, but it was still pretty hot. And washing and detailing a black vehicle in direct sunlight, there was no way we can even put up a canopy because we were in a cramped little area. It's just the way it goes. So if you guys are mobile detailers, you know exactly what I mean. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to try to put little unboxing videos like this as we get more products in. We actually have some more products coming to us soon, and I'm sure they're in the mail, just dying to get into our hands so that we can use them. But I'm very excited about this Malco line, and reaching out to Malco also and talking to them. It was great. I love good communication with companies like this because they will work with you, and not only will they be able to send you products to test and use, but they like to engage with you. They actually like to ask you questions and talk to you, and I really appreciate that. So thank you, Malco, for doing that and reaching out to us. And I'm very excited about using these new products. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Ugh, sorry. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like it, share it with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And check out a playlist of tons of other videos that we have. Lots of interior and exterior videos. You can subscribe here, and you can even go on to our online store and purchase new shirts that we have. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.